Hi guys, for today's video, pupunta pala tayo sa isang historical place dito sa Manila. Ito ang Fort Santiago sa Intramuros. Syempre, kailangan muna natin makabiyahe patungo rito. Sumakay na lang kami ng jeep at LRT para mabilis kaming makarating sa Intramuros, Manila. Nakarating na kami sa Intramuros at naglalakad na kami patungo sa Fort Santiago. Tara at samahan niyo ako tuklasin kung ano ang nasa loob ng historical place na ito. Tara at tuklasin kung ano ang history ng Dungeons of Fort Santiago. Pagpasok pa lamang ay talagang kamangha-mangha ang kagandahan ng isa sa mga preserved na history ng ating bansa. At ito ay itinatawag na Dungeons of Fort Santiago. According to Fort Santiago, Intramuros, Manila, in 1945, following the liberation of Manila during the Second World War, the U.S. Army discovered 600 decomposing corpses inside the Fort Santiago dungeons. The conditions were so cramped that all prisoners died from suffocation and heat exhaustion. The bodies were subsequently buried en masse on a site near the dungeons, which is now marked by a white marble cross.